your girl Nola Royal Queenie, and welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited that you guys decided to stop in and chill with your girl again today. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a demo on some super cute bonnet looks that you can wear in public. Let's get into it. But first, if you're new here, I want you to go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that bell so that you can be notified when I post a new video. Alright you guys, during this bonnet controversy, I decided to be a little rebellious. So I went on a search for some super cute bonnets that I can wear anywhere. The search was short-lived, honey, because I found the perfect bonnets right on Amazon. What I love about these bonnets is that they are big head friendly and double layered with a satin lining to protect your hair. Well, that's it you guys for this super cute bonnet demo. If you guys are interested in any of these bonnets, I'll drop the link in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.